Hello everyone, so today we would be discussing about how you can make an easy workflow where you connect the services of the TwelveLabs MCP and connect it with the Exa MCP. What functionality does it provides? Exa provides us the real-time web search ability, code search ability, deep research. So connecting the video analysis or the video content analysis or video understanding with the web search or citation retrieval or deep research would extend the capability. So we'll be just connecting this into a workflow as this 2MCP into a Claude desktop. For that, let's configure both of the MCP into the Claude desktop. For that, let's go to the installation guide of the TwelveLabs. And here in the TwelveLabs MCP, you can see there are like all the services of the TwelveLabs available, which is like the video index management, video indexing, video search, analysis, creation and retrieval of the video embeddings from retrieval for like the already indexed videos. And these are like the various services which is been connected to Claude desktop, cursor, VS code. So now here you can see the configuration snippets. So we'll just copy these configuration snippets and make sure that the TwelveLabs MCP has been connected into the Claude desktop. So for that, let's go to the Claude. So here is my Claude and I can go to the setting or search and tools. Here you can see the TwelveLabs MCP is already been connected, but let's see like if you want to connect it, then how you can do it. Then manage connectors, developer, here you can see it's already been connected here on Claude desktop config.json where the custom MCP servers have been configured. Here you can see the TwelveLabs, the same snippet which you see on the configuration is here, and here you can see the main remote one and the API key has been added here. And now we need to also set up the Exa MCP here. So for that, you can just go to the Exa first, create an account. So this is the platform. We'll just go here, we'll do the sign up, and here with the ease you can create an API key and you will also get a $10 of a credit for free account, which is like helpful to make use of it. Here you can see Exa MCP. So we'll go to the documentation of Exa MCP and here it says like how you can connect it. This is the remote Exa MCP which you see, and this is how you can connect it to the Claude desktop. But as we would be also using the API key here, so the most relevant way to connect it is this one. And it also consists of like if you use like very specific toolings, like let's say I just want a code search and the web search, then the tools has been mentioned here like get code context Exa, web search Exa. If you only want a web search, then web search Exa, and this is for the deep research. So you can see there are like for very specific tooling, your MCP server can be configured as per that, but we'll take the general one so that we can do the experimentation with it. So let's copy this, or maybe like we have already been configured here, so we'll just take this and we'll paste it into the VS code. So here we have already added the Exa MCP. Now make sure to get your API key of the Exa and store it and save the file. And our custom MCP for both has been connected. So save the file and reopen the Claude desktop so that it's configured well. So now on Claude, here you can see now TwelveLabs MCP and Exa. So I have also turned on the Exa, and here is the two functionality which you can see, web search Exa and get code context Exa. Okay. And this is for the TwelveLabs. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll just get one of the video from my already indexed videos and we'll try to get the web results out of it or the citations around it. Okay, so in the left side, I will open my TwelveLabs index so that you can have a look at what are the various videos and how I am interacting with the Claude desktop with them. So now you can see like these are the videos in my index, which is like the sample default. So let's say to list all the video index. As we haven't provided the index ID, it needs to find, okay, what's the sample default, and it already got the index ID. Okay. Now it just listed all the videos so that we know, okay, where we are at that moment. Now what I need is, could you please do the video analysis on the content discussed in the industrial revolution and make sure to to get the citation for it over web. Okay. So here you can see it triggers the TwelveLabs analysis to generate text. Here is the type open-ended. Here is my video ID, and provide a comprehensive analysis of the Industrial Revolution. Content discussed in this video include key topics, themes, historical periods, and lot many other information has been provided. And it already found like the video ID, specifically this one. And yeah, now it's trying to understand the internal discussion of the concept which happened. So here you see the response. The video provides a comprehensive analysis starting from the comparison between life in 1820, 1920, and here is like the whole brief out of it. And now the query goes on as like Industrial Revolution of like the specific names which have been told about in the video specifically. And now the web search Exa started. Here it actually breaks down like the whole into a bit and doing a research so that it gets the most accurate results. So here you can see one result got done, then the second result is happening here. Here you can see these are all the response from the first one, then the second happened, then the third is gonna happen, and we'll get like more or more citation around it. So here you see all the information, PDF. We'll see it in a very better way as a response. I'm just showcasing this. Okay. Here you see all the links where all this content is there. Here you can see eris.net, how it started, industrial history of European countries and all the information. Here also the same, and here also you can see. So now it's generating the whole of the citation which have been received. We'll see it in a better way, but key concept area covered. Here you see all the citation for technology innovation and the particularly how it's been gathered. So you can see like how easy it is. Let's do one more thing, like to get it more advanced, as we have previously connected it with the Notion, right? So we have the Notion. And now do store all the citation in the new page in the Notion. All the citation received. Let's see. So just recollecting all the citation, also the video details. It also have the comments about like what's the particular topic or the chapter it's been discussed, and as per that the citation and a bit of a brief key points. And now we'll just do store it, and then we'll get the Notion page link, and it's already been stored into my Notion account because I have authenticated that before. Here you see it's providing all the information of how many sources have been added and like 15 properly formatted citation. And here is the link to access it, or I can just do login with my Notion account and I can have a look at that. So here you can see the Notion page, and here is all the citation with the proper hyperlink to check it on. So Manchester and urbanization, and all the research note, timeline verification, and source is TwelveLabs video analysis and web search citation. So yeah, so that's how easily you can do the research, and we explored like how effectively you can use like the videos to analyze it, get the citation, and even store it into your Notion page. And you can just like directly go it from here to get to your citation. So yeah, that's easy it is. Thank you.